Good morning. My name is Colin Titus. I selected Walmart as the traditional or conventional organization to review because of that organization's leadership within the retail industry for years now. And I selected Amazon as the modern organization since Amazon as a company revolutionized the way that we shop. In addition to a brief review of the background of both of these organizations, we will go over the value discipline, market segmentation, customer loyalty for both companies, and then also marketing using artificial intelligence and big data, the digital transformation of both companies over the last few years, and then we will look at the digital maturity of the company as it pertains to the organizational culture. We'll also finally review the analytics and personnel decisions that both companies are making. So for the background, Walmart was started by Sam Walton in 1962 and went public in 1970. It quickly became the leader in low prices throughout the United States as it grew. And Sam Walton made the employees shareholders, which was something that wasn't very common in the United States in the 70s. He, in turn, relied on the employees to provide great customer service to ensure repeat business. Amazon was founded in 1995 as an online bookseller, went public in 1997, and then in a attempt to diversify its assortment, it started selling CDs in 1998. Jeff Bezos' goal at that time was to get big fast. Currently, over the last few years, Walmart changed its name from Walmart Stores to Walmart Incorporated in 2018 specifically. It acquired Flipkart in India and divested from the Brazilian business. It currently has 4,769 stores across the world, and that was a 5.6% increase since 2015. It acquired Jet.com in 2016 for $3 billion. A direct attempt at competing with Amazon in the digital business. Amazon invested $350 billion into the U.S. economy over the past 10 years, and it's currently employing 2.4 million people in the United States. It purchased Whole Foods for $13.7 billion in 2017. That in turn was an attempt to compete with Walmart in the grocery business. And currently, Amazon is accounting for about 13% of the global e-commerce sales. So Walmart in 2019 at $514 billion in revenue, with Amazon a little bit over half of that at $280.5 billion, even though it's been growing a lot faster than Walmart did over the last few years. Walmart is sitting on $27.8 billion in cash flow, and then $36.4 billion at Amazon. A difference I think is in the expenditures of brick and mortar stores for Walmart. Walmart returned $13.5 billion to the shareholders in 2019, while Amazon is sitting at $62.6 billion in equity, which is going to be key over the next few years as the race speeds up. So the following comment was made by the National Retail Federation in the United States, and I think it is a good summary of the state of affairs for these two companies. Walmart has dominated the top 100 list for years, and 2020 is no different as the retailer maintains its strong core strategy. Following close behind at number 2 is Amazon, a leader in the digital space with a vision of being the everything store, delivering on-demand products and services. As far as the value discipline, Walmart has been a leader in operational excellence for years, with a lot of smaller companies trying to copy what the retailer has been doing. It's used scale to reduce prices for customers, provided the best-in-class inventory tracking systems, and tested a few different things to automate the inventory tracking system. It created a network of regional distribution centers with a goal to get product to the customers quicker. Amazon has not been left behind in this aspect as far as operational excellence, and it's quickly outsourced inventory management to its vendors and really focused on logistics and supply chain within the organization by building those sorting facilities, investing and leasing planes, about 75 right now, to be able to get to the customers quicker. Walmart for years, I think, has taken customer service for granted as a result of price leadership. And that, I think, is something that they are chasing. Amazon, who on the other hand has made everything about the customers. Prime membership was focused on something that Jeff Bezos learned from customers, and where they can ship merchandise to the customers within 2 days, and you can order anything from Amazon as long as you are a Prime member. The Whole Foods partnership, like I said, is a direct effort to compete with Walmart. And then Amazon is currently rated as the second highest customer rated retailer in the United States by the American Customer Satisfaction Index. As you can see, both Walmart and Amazon essentially is competing for the same customer, with the difference in how they shop and how these two organizations are reaching that customer. It's a 46-year-old white female earning about $74,000 per year at Walmart, and then the same individual, the same segmented group at Amazon, earning about $84,000 per year and spending about $1,300 on average each year at Amazon. As far as customer loyalty, Walmart never really had an established loyalty program and is currently testing an annual, a $98 annual fee loyalty program that will provide unlimited deliveries to the customers. They historically relied on a company mission and everyday low prices to drive loyalty. The Walmart Rewards credit card provides 0% financing on qualified purchases for customers, even though I think that is more a response to the company not providing layaway throughout the year to its customers, more than it is an attempt to improve loyalty. Amazon has been with Prime shipping all about the customers, and then they created Amazon Moments, which is a vendor-based loyalty program that rewards customers for shopping with these specific Amazon vendors. And then Amazon Incentives is a program specifically aimed at corporations buying gift cards through Amazon, and then obviously having those repeat business and those gift cards used on the Amazon platform. So Walmart's main goal when it comes to marketing using artificial intelligence and big data is to provide a consistent experience in store and online to its customers, and to personalize the customer shopping experience as best as they can. They are testing Scan and Go using the Walmart app in the pharmacy and money services departments. They are using big data to improve assortment and to improve seasonal sell-through. On the other hand, Amazon artificial intelligence is everywhere with the Alexa voice assistant, getting to know the customers personally, what their daily habits are, what they're shopping for, who they're shopping for, and be able to specifically target the individual Amazon customer. It's also providing the Amazon Web Services to retailers and other organizations to use big data to really understand their organizations better and how they deal with Amazon. Amazon Robotics, mainly within the distribution centers and the sorting facilities, once again to make speed up the delivery to the customers. And then the feared grab and go comment in retail that used to refer to theft is now a positive thing when it comes to Amazon, when customers can walk into a grocery store, grab an item, and automatically be charged. So the digital transformation of these two organizations, Walmart spent a lot of money over the last few years and is looking to hire about 4,000 additional technology employees, and they're looking to turn their physical stores into fulfillment centers. Amazon, as you can see, innovation is built into the organizational culture. They automate everything they can at Amazon with a focus on customer service. And then achieving technology greatness for them isn't just about the technology, it is about the customer. And then the famous accountability emails to Jeff Bezos, where he is just sending a question mark to the owners of those responsibilities. to drive accountability and to drive innovation. Whole Foods acquisition was their way of entering the grocery business and compete with Walmart. So digital maturity with a focus on the organizational culture. Amazon is a digitally mature organization, checking with a check in every single category, specifically becoming talent magnets, and then cultivating that digital cultures and experience within the organization to drive digital maturity. Walmart is still a digitally developing organization with them really lacking in the people aspect and the culture within their organization, something they will be struggling to fix over the next few years. Personnel decisions, Walmart is mainly relying on internal promotions and finally released the salary information in 2019 to try to attract qualified candidates, and then started using Tableau for people analytics recently. And Amazon created the recruiting tool in 2014, but abandoned it because they found that it showed gender bias towards females in 2018, and is currently mainly using the LinkedIn platform to source candidates more than they even use the internal website. And then these candidates are going through a very rigorous interview process. They also use artificial intelligence to set and track productivity and then terminate low productive employees. So in summary, I can say that Amazon, definitely with a laser-like focus on customers and employees, use the power of technology to more than likely become the first global trillion-dollar company. Walmart, the long-time retail leader on the other end, is finding itself chasing Amazon and struggling to identify itself in a changing marketplace and to update the organizational culture to become digitally mature. And next up, you can just see my references that I used on the next two slides. And thank you.